start printing something. Okay, that's going to be a complete practical session. It's going to be very interesting as well. Then we got a couple of subtopics, and then types of filaments, which material you guys can use. What is manufacturing? Okay, it's all about making parts, right? Mass production of parts, whatever the parts. Even the handle of this 3D printing technology is considered to be as additive manufacturing. What is the opposite of additive manufacturing? Subtractive manufacturing. So what is subtractive? CNC machines, milling, turning operations that you perform, right? That is subtractive. So what is additive? Opposite of subtractive. So in subtractive you remove the material. In additive, we add the material. Awesome. So that's it. 3D printing is all about additive manufacturing. Medical grade, or we can also call it as production grade technology. So now let us call, like I told you what can be done with the 3D printing. We can produce parts, right? So what kind of parts we can produce? Of course, is there any better technology than 3D printing? It takes at least 30,000 rupees to prepare a die. Okay, and let us say after preparing a die, if you find that okay, I just want to make some small geometric adjustments, then again you have to prepare a new die for it. Difficult. Anything you can prepare die for each and every geometrical object? No. There are certain geometries where you cannot. All the 3D printing technologies, FDM is the best possible way and cheapest possible way of producing and manufacturing whatsoever the requirement is. Okay? Remember this, FDM technologies. Okay? You can sell this, right, in the market? Yes? The finishing which I am talking about is all about the surface finishing. It doesn't look good, then it's not. This look good. Okay. For these kind of overhang structure, there is a support material that is formed, which can be easily removed like this. Filament. So this filament characteristics, I will be going through each and everything in detail. So this particular filament I have in my hand is called PLA filament. Comes with wrapping, stinging and tracking. These are the things where again we're going to do some discussion. This only one con. You guys can see how hard or how easy the paper moves. The paper very slightly. Okay. It's not too free or it is too tight. 3D printing filament. What's the diameter of this? 1.2 cm. Awesome. And this goes where? This goes through the extruder actually. This is a very small stepper motor you can see here, right? This one, the behind. So this goes through here for my printer to print. Okay? This software is not intelligent enough to decide in which direction it has to print. So we need to set the orientation. So what is orientation is nothing very simple. I'm going to rotate this model so that it sits on the plate. I'm going to change it to 200. You can come closer if you want, like just to see what it has done just now. It has extruded some material towards the edge, right? Why? Because even the detailing is very important. Okay? Stringing. When it is in molten form, it reacts with the glue stick. And once it reacts with the glue stick, what happens? It is so. When you use some other stronger materials apart from this one, which melts around, it at least takes 4 to 5 minutes. Got it? So, for example, I can show you one of the documents by the manufacturer itself. Is declaring that this is so and so thing, foot contact actual. You can see those cavities there. Exactly how it is shown here, the same thing is formed there. Cavities. So this is nothing but air space. Air space, nothing more. It is not filling that region. The region where it is not filling. Okay? So all those points, if I discuss, like it's going to take lots of time. Why I have to use constant. Make sure that your part is sticking to the bed properly. That is grim. And you got so raft is spread on the bed what usually Raft does is, Raft is nothing but the first layer of the print. The same material line count is, before filling the part inside, it forms a boundary.
My name is Amit Kumar.
How was the session today?
It was quite
Regarding 3D printing.
It was quite good. The technology which you were telling about that was good due to all the people who are over here.
Especially what you learned today.
I learned about that fibers which you were using, that kind of thing. PLA and all. The other what you were told about the specifications of the machines, why you need to set up the beds and all. That I was not previously. I have seen these machines, but how do it actually work? What is the configuration? How you configure the machine? That I will not know today. How to learn this thing.
Do you plan anything on the 3D printing future?
Not right now.
So finally you get something.
Yeah, definitely I got something.
Thank you.